final video of the day. Just thought I'd show you this Kenwood replacement battery for the THF7 and F6, I think. The pb-42l. There you go. Now these are expensive to buy originally. I think about anything between £30 and £50 for this replacement battery, which is usually 17 or 1800 milliamp hour one. This one I got for £15, including shipping from China there. And it states 2000, but it probably is the same as the old one. So yeah, just half price really. Thought I'd share it with you. Show you that you can get them cheap. The original doesn't come with the connections there, so this one can be put into a base charger if needed. So yeah, just thought I'd share that, and that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll be posting some more videos fairly soon.